So now let's take a look at example 3. Example 3 is more of what you're going to see from here on out because it is a little bit more complicated than example 1 and 2. Because if we look at example 3, I have 16 raised to the 2x plus 3 equals 4 raised to the x. See how both of them have exponents already? That's kind of how you can know that you're getting into more the algebraic stuff that we're doing now. Example 1 and 2 was just kind of knowing your exponent properties. But right here, now we have to know our exponent properties and we have to be able to solve them. So right here, if we look, first thing that we want to look at again is our bases. So this one has a base of 16 and this one has a base of 4. We want them to be the same. Well, the good news is that 16 can be in a base of 4 because if I look at the factor tree of 16, 16 is 4, 4. Which if we rewrite 16, 16 can be rewritten as 4 squared. Well, it still has the exponent of 2x plus 3. I'm just changing 16 into 4 squared. And then that's going to equal my 4x. Now if we look, my bases are both now 4. We can drop our bases and concentrate on just those exponents. Now here's where you have to be careful. This exponent of 2 raised to the 2x plus 3 still has to apply. All of it, not just the 2x plus 3. You have to now do the 2 times the 2x plus 3 because this is a property rule of the power to a power. Whenever we have a power to a power, you multiply these two together. So what we are going to be doing is 2 times 2x plus 3, and then that's going to equal x. And again, I have to know my property of a power to remember that I have to distribute that 2 or multiply that 2 to both of these. So if we go ahead and distribute, this will give us 4x plus 6 equals x. I want to go ahead and solve for x, so I'm going to subtract that 4x over to the other side. This will give me 6 equals negative 3x. Then I divide by negative 3. So my answer here would end up being negative 2 equals x. And again, I know this because I had to change my 16 into a base of 4, multiply that 2 using that exponent property, then I get rid of my bases and I only concentrate on my exponents. Distribute, subtract, divide, and then I have my answer.